Your cable box from Cablevision.
Well, Bergen County is reopening its Hackensack Bridge. The county administrator says it could happen as early as Wednesday. The bridge flooded back when Superstorm Sandy hit in late October. Even though there was already some damage before Sandy arrived, officials say the storm made the problem much worse. So they needed some help paying for repairs.
We've got the Federal Highway Authority willing to pay for it as a result of the flooding. We're going to go get the money that we need to get to be able to fix it, and we're fixing it right now. Should be open by Wednesday.
Initial repair estimates total $23 million, but the Federal Highway Administration picked up the tab at just over $1 million. And a quick shout out to